everyone, and once again welcome to the CL Wednesday channel. I'm Yuan. I'll be a friendly programming host. Okay, anyway, remember that, right, last week, right, I was sharing you about the introduction to Google Apps Script programming, and introduce you to the wonderful world of Google Apps Script. Right, so I just like to share. So if remember, right, remember this thing here. Okay, I think you might have seen this before, from last week. Okay, we had some samples here. Okay, now continuing from the previous episode, right? Okay, I'll just share with you what you can do to make this this look more useful. Okay, by the way, if you need a refresher, right, go refer back to the previous week. All right. Okay, how I arrived at this whole code. All right. Okay. Without further ado, right. Okay, just quickly take a look. Okay, first I'll just delete this, okay, because what I'm going to do now, okay, I'm going to share with you how you can process the input, right? This is the input, and how you can put the output here. All right. Okay, so right. Okay, so now let's take a look at this. This as you can see, right, this is where we process where we look, right, through the values, okay, collected, right, from the spreadsheet range. All right. Okay, A1 to A9. All right. Okay, so let's go and do something interesting with this. Okay. Let's say you want to do something simple like value equals to let's say value plus 1. Okay. Right. So let's save it. Okay. Okay, and then let's run it and see what happens. Run it. Okay. What happened? Oh, okay, nothing much. Okay. Yeah, I wonder. Okay, so what's the point? Well, let's take a look at view and view the log. Aha, okay, we have something interesting here. Okay, basically the whole thing was log, but look like nothing has changed either. What gives? Because you see, right, when you log a value, right, it happened before you make a calculation. Okay, so now let's move this one, shift this one below. Okay, save it, and then play it again. Now what happened? Click on view, click on log, and you find that okay, nothing happened. Why? What happened? Okay, because you see, right, you didn't change this value, you changed this value. So now let's copy this, see what happened, and play it one more time and say your prayers. Okay, hopefully the thing runs correctly. Let's see what happened. Goal! Yes. Okay, 1 2 3 5. Okay, and so on. So you can see everything got increased. But you see, right, this is just a string. This is not a number, and yet it got appended. Why? Okay, because you see, right, in Google Apps Script, right, when you add a 1, right, okay, you see, right, normally the script, right, first see whether it's a number. If a number, then it will increment the value by 1. But if a string, it will just fix the value. So meaning, right, let's say 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Very good. But let's say it has something like maybe A B C D. What happens when you add 1? You literally add a 1 to the end. Okay, so just take note of this, right, when you do addition and so on in the loop. Okay, but right, so but now, okay, that's, you might say, that's all very good. Okay, now but but I want to have something practical. I really want to be able to output all this into here. So how? What do I do? Very easy. Remember this fella here? Okay, now let's copy okay, let's say you got copy this. Okay, all right, and then let's paste him here. Okay, but remember, you must change the variable name. Okay, because you want the two to conflict. Okay, now let's change it to B1 to B9. All right. Okay, and then let's set a range to. Okay, let's set values. All right. Okay, now you see this, right? Set value. Okay, remember that you have already modified this array here. Okay, so set values, and you should be done. All right. Now let's save this and play again. Okay, wait. And now let's see what happened. Whoa, that's awesome. This whole thing appeared here. And you even see? So you see, right? So this is just a very quick primer, continued, right, on how you can, have an input, a process, and an output. Yeah, you see, output into the spreadsheet. So you see, right, this can become very useful. Let's say when you have a whole lot of let's say maybe a few 100,000, and you really do want to copy, paste, and so on, modify, and You know, you might not even be able to use a formula. Yeah, then you see this kind of thing can come in very useful. Okay, right. So I think that's about it. Okay, thanks a lot and see you. Bye.